Okay, in this section we will discuss different maintenance philosophies and a structured maintenance program, which we have talked about in the last lecture, can have different maintenance philosophies or approaches and practice embedded within that particular program. The basic philosophy is but only twofold. One is prevent failure, and second is run to failure. Prevent failure matlab you want to prevent the failure on first hand. You don't want to have failure. So you all the task you do is to prevent the failures. And second one is run to failure, means you are allowing the machine to fail, and when the failure occurs you do the maintenance. So there are basically four categories of maintenance. Number one is condition based maintenance, which is also known as predictive maintenance. Number two is preventive maintenance or PM. Number three is proactive maintenance, and number four is operator based maintenance. We will discuss all these maintenance strategies one by one, and will give you a comparative study between these various maintenance strategies. In actual industry, a combination of these maintenance philosophies are used. That means that for some machine we will be using condition based monitoring, for some machine we will be use preventive maintenance, for some we will use proactive, and for some we will we use operator based maintenance.